New for SOLIDWORKS 2015, CAD/CAM Components presents SolidWrap Boss. SolidWrap Boss will take a 2D sketch, geodesically map the sketch to the face of a freeform solid, and allow a boss or deboss to occur relative to the mapped shape. In this example, we can see loops mapped with different boss heights to produce a textured look to the resultant bottle. Let's do an example where we map a 2D sketch of multiple loops to a single face solid. The input requirements are a 2D sketch and the solid, which is the destination solid. We require it to be selected from the feature tree. It will not select from the graphics window. The surface or face, which is the target of the boss, and the geodesic center point, which will map down to that face. The shapes are mapped out geodesically, they're not projected. And parametrically, the tool follows the SolidWorks standards. We can then take the solid and redefine it from a boss to a deboss. Once again, this is a sketch comprised of multiple loops, geodesically mapped to a face, and a boss, emboss, or deboss is created. For using the SolidWrap Boss tool on a multi-face solid requires an underlying surface be created in advance. We like to see the surface very close to the target solid faces, which will receive the boss. In this case, I've hidden the solid, shown the surface. We operate the tool. The first thing selected, of course, is the 2D sketch. The solid is selected from the feature tree. The projected interface surface is picked from the graphics window, and the geodesic center point also from the graphics window. In this example, we've created our emboss. We can now hide the surface and show the solid. Note, the interface surface is slightly smaller than the solid faces that receive it.